very
Oh,
cool.
my goodness. He's like what we saw. There was a toy. Can you turn around? Oh, look. He's got the orange on his tail feathers. This is the red-tailed hawk. Oh,
Isn't that amazing?
wow.
Can the bird fly like this?
He gets a little nervous. He gets a little nervous. And you know what? Look at his beak. Look at his beak. Is it straight or is it curved? Show me with your finger what it looks like. He makes a hook, doesn't he? Because he has to catch his food. Boys and girls, the hawk, he doesn't go to sleep. He doesn't hibernate in the winter. He has to hunt all winter. And he hunts for small animals like mice. And he has built-in tools. Do you see
Yeah.
that my friend Bill has on a special glove? That's
Yeah.
to protect him so that those talons, those are the claws, they won't scratch him. Now, he's not mean. He wouldn't try to hurt him. But just like we have fingernails that get very sharp, he uses his talons to catch his food. He can't go to Price Chopper. and he can't eat macaroni and cheese. So he has to go out every morning. He wakes up and he says, I'm hungry. And he uses his eagle eyes to flap his wings and he looks on the ground. Woo! He'll jump down on the ground and grab something to eat. Now he doesn't
What happened?
eat corn. He doesn't eat sunflower seeds. He eats
So you,
other animals.
you don't see her?
Don't worry, he's not going to eat birthday cake.
Oh, yeah,
Native Americans told me how he got his red tail.
Oh, what's that story?
You know, he was soaring very, very high. He was flying as high as he could go. Higher and high. Just as high it could be. He got so close to the sun that it burnt his tail and made it his color.
Oh, the orange tail.
Orange
Beautiful.
tail.
That's a cool story. Well, next time you are driving in the car with your mom or dad, look out and you might see the red-tailed hawk. He's not going to go up to the sun.
No.
But we know that's a story, a legend about his tail. Well, can everyone give the hawk and Bill a round of applause?
Okay.